Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, and today I'll show you how we can check the serial number of this device. We can make it on the two ways. The first one and the fastest, we are going for the Galaxy wearable app, opening the charging case to let them connect, and then we have to go for the About earbuds. And as you can see here, we can find the serial number from the right and the left earbud, and also we can check here the software information, the legal information. And if you grab your box like that, you can find the serial number right here. And the same if you take a look here, the serial number from the left earbud. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe.